Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how you can get more FPS in Valorant in 2023 step by step. So the first step that you have to do is just simply go to your start icon and search Xbox game bar. Then over there just simply click on enable Xbox game bar and just simply disable the game bar from over here, because it keeps on running in the background and making your system much slower. So just simply disable it. The next step is just simply go to graphics under game bar, and in that just simply search for Valorant, which you will find over here. Now if you don't have Valorant already showing over here, what you have to do is just simply click on browse. Then go to the location where your Valorant is installed. Then click on Riot Games, then Valorant, then Live. Then click on Add on Valorant. Now again go back to Browse. Then just simply go to Shooter Games, then Binary, then Win64, and over there you will find Valorant Win64 shipping. Again click on it and add this as well. Now as you can see, it is already added. So now what you have to do is just simply again search for Valorant, and now when you see both of the applications, just simply click on them one by one. Then go to options, then click on high performance and save it. Do this for the shipping one as well. Go to shipping, options, high performance, save it. And now after you're done with this, then the next step is just simply again go to your start menu and search for power. Then over here just simply click on edit power plan, then click on power options over here. Now over here just simply click on high performance. If it is not showing you, just simply click on this drop box which is hide application plane. Just simply click that and you will be able to see it. So just simply choose high performance and then just simply close the window. Now the next step is go to a Valorant, right click on it, then open properties. Now go to compatibility and enable few options like run the program as administrator, disable full screen optimization, and in the compatibility mode choose the latest window available to you like Windows 8 or 7. Now after that click on change high DPI settings and enable override high DPI scaling behavior. Then click OK, then apply, then again OK. And after that, the next step that is just simply again go to start menu and search for startup. Click on startup apps and turn off heavy memory usage applications like Steam, Epic Game, Slack, Discord, Spotify, etc. Just simply disable all of them, and then after doing that just simply again close the window. Now the next setting that you have to do is just simply again right click on your start icon and click on settings. Now in system, go to system, then scroll down and click on about, and in about section just simply choose advanced system settings. And now in the advanced system setting, go to advanced, and in the performance tab click on settings. And now what you have to do is just simply choose advanced, adjust for best performance, and in this you have to enable peak, show thumbnail instead of icons, and show edge on screen font. Just simply enable all of these and hit apply. Then OK, then again close this window, then again close this window as well. The next step is just simply hit Window plus R on your keyboard, then type app data, then hit OK. Now after that just simply go to local, then search for Valorant, then open Valorant, then go to saved, then go to config. Now over here just simply open the one with a lot of numbers like this one. So you have to actually check by inputting the numbers in every one of them and see the difference in the game. So you have to do it one by one and see if it is working or not. And it will be different for every system. So it is just like a trial and error thing. So you have to just simply keep up doing it and see whether it is changing or not. So after coming to the file, just go to Windows, then Game User Settings. And now in Game User Settings, just simply scroll down and come to Scalability Group and change all the 3s to 0, which will force your game to run at the lowest graphics setting possible. And after you have done that, just simply go to File and click on Save. And after that, just simply close the window. And after that, just simply again close this window. Now the next step is, if you're using AMD or NVIDIA graphic card, just simply go to your graphic card setting. Just by right click on your desktop screen and click on your graphic card. When you're in your graphic card, just simply check whether do you have an update or not. And after that, just simply go to your Valorant. Now if you're using AMD graphic card, in graphics profile, just simply choose esports and enable FreeSync over here. And keep your sharpness at 80%. And make sure to enable anti-lag as well. So after that, just simply close your graphic card option. And then just simply open your game. And the last settings that we are going to do is in the game. Now, when you're in your Valorant settings, just simply go to the setting option over here. Then again, go to settings. Now in the video section, in general area, choose full screen. And you can choose the resolution, it's up to you. And in the FPS, I have just simply turned it all off. And now in the video quality, enable multi-threaded rendering. And over here, just simply keep everything at low, except bloom, because it will make your skin look much nicer. And that's it. So thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.